Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fifth puzzle. A binary puzzle is the fifth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 20th, 2020. Yes, the fifth puzzle is a binary puzzle. Let me focus this, and this one is number 1192. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row there are, or in a column there are always four ones and four O's. Yes, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. We have four O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. We have here four O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, there an O. Then I cannot continue. Let me see. Double one, here an O, there an O. We have four ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and one, there and one. Four ones, so the rest are O's. Then double one, here and O, there and O. Then I cannot. Yeah. If I place, we have here three O's. If I place the fourth one here, then we have four ones in a row. Not allowed in this column. Four ones in a row is not allowed. That's one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double one, here an O, there an O. Now we have four O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an 1. We have now four ones, so the rest are O's. Then I need to compare. I think I need to compare. Well, if we have here three O's, if I place the fourth O here, then we have three ones in a row in a column. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Now we have four ones, so the rest are O's. Let me see. Here, 3 double O. Alright. Let me compare. Double O. Do we have a double O? No. Fifth O. Yeah. In this row, three ones. If I place the fourth one here, then we have three O's in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O here and one, there one. Three O's. No. Let me see. 1 O, 1 O, 1. Yeah. This column, the second column, and the the fifth column. Let me compare 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have O here, so this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes a 1. And then need to compare again. Yes, let me compare this one and that one. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers, 1 and an O. This should be an O and this should be a 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Completed in 6 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, great Sudoku. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku, the final Sudoku. It's a tectonic. So see you later and bye bye for now.